Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and cancel Grammarly premium subscription properly? Well, in order to properly cancel your Grammarly premium subscription, the method you use depends on where you originally purchased the subscription, whether it's on Grammarly website, Apple App Store, or Google Play Store. If you subscribe via the Grammarly app, just sign in into your account on the official Grammarly website, then click on the account tab in the left-hand navigation menu, select the subscription from the menu, scroll to the bottom of the page, and then click the cancel subscription link. Follow the on-screen prompts, which may ask you to confirm your decision or provide a reason for cancellation, and click the cancel subscription one last time to finalize your process. If you subscribe via the Apple App Store, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into Apple Settings, open the Settings app, tap your name, then subscription, select Grammarly, and tap cancel subscription. It's similar with the Android device as well. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.